Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study science class effectively using an easy method. First, focus on truly understanding the core concepts rather than just rote memorization. This foundational knowledge will make everything else click into place. Next, tackle large topics by breaking them into smaller, digestible sections. This approach prevents overwhelm and makes learning more approachable. Finally, actively engage with your study materials. Don't just passively read. To truly master science, active learning is crucial. Try making your own flashcards for important terms, definitions, and formulas. This helps reinforce recall. Visual learners will benefit greatly from drawing diagrams or flowcharts to illustrate complex systems or processes. Seeing the connections visually can clarify difficult concepts. Most importantly, consistently solve practice problems. Applying what you've learned through exercises solidifies your understanding and prepares you for assessments. Aim for at least 30 minutes of active problem solving daily. Effective review is key to long-term retention in science. Make it a habit to review your class notes within 24 hours. This significantly boosts recall. Implement spaced repetition by revisiting topics at increasing intervals, like after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. This method strengthens memory pathways. Consider forming a small study group with peers. Discussing challenging concepts and explaining them to others can reveal gaps in your own understanding and provide new perspectives. To maximize your science retention, always try to connect new information with what you already know. Building these mental bridges makes new concepts stick better. Also, prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your brain consolidates learning during rest. Remember, consistent effort over time yields the best results. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check out the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. They're seriously comfortable and built to last.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.